Hey guys, I thought I'd do a quick video here. I got Dexter some new toys. He's been chatting away. Let me show you what I got him. Well, actually, Holly got it for him. I can't take the credit. She got it from Amazon. She got him this flexi bendy braided rope with a bell on it. We're going to put that in there for Dexter. Right, Dexter? You excited about your new toys, Dexter? And guys, Dexter's been chatting away today. He's just been a little chatterbox. Let me throw this in the trash. And these zip ties. So this thing here, it's really long, but we're going to curl it up and make it a little more Dexter comfortable. Right, Dexter? So we're going to curl this up for you. And Dexter, you can see him moving around there. He's excited. He wants these toys. You going to talk, Dexter? You going to say hey? I'm moving back here a little bit, guys, so you can see Dexter. Right? Yes. And I don't want to open his cage just yet because Dexter wants to come out. And I have a bunch of garbage on top of his cage here, extra stuff. I need to get that cleared out so we can let Dexter out again. It's just, we have more stuff than house, so it's hard to find places to put stuff. So I'm going to open the door here. Yeah, Dexter. I'm going to open the door and we're going to hang up your toy. Where are we going to put this at for you? Let's put it right here. Yes. You going to say hello? Hello, Dexter. Hello, baby. You can say hi to your YouTube friends. You know they all like watching your cooking show, Dexter. And Dexter's getting tired of me cooking chicken and eggs and stuff like that. Right, Dexter? Yeah, Santa Claus for a handgun. I'm just joking, guys. Don't take offense to that. But, yeah, Dexter's tired of all of the poultry videos. So tomorrow we're going to do a chicken fried steak. Oh, my goodness. We're having steak. Oh, yeah, you know, the C word. No, Dexter, we're having steak. Yes. And he's got these little perches here, guys. They're alright for Dexter to camp out on. Maybe he'll work his beak on him and sharpen his beak a little bit, you know, or actually trim down his beak. Yes, Dexter, we're having steak tomorrow with sawmill gravy. There's actually no chicken in it, Dexter. It's called chicken fried because it's breaded. But it's going to be alright. So we'll stick them in here somewhere. Let's see. Alright, Dexter. We're going to put one right here. And I have to keep this door shut because he'll come out, guys. And like I says, the top of his cage is not bird friendly right now because I have all kind of stuff up there and I don't want him getting hurt on it. I'm going to have to clear that out of there. We'll put this one right here so Dexter can crawl up here and check things out. Look at that. Look at that, Dexter. Yeah, look at that. You are going to be set. Alright, there's that one there. And we'll stick this one over here. This way here when I'm out doing my cooking in the kitchen recording, Dexter can sit on this and watch me. Let me get the screw off of here, the wing nut. Dexter can sit out there and watch me do my cooking show. I mean your cooking show, Dexter. Your cooking show. Guys, this bird is so friggin' spoiled rotten. It's unreal. Holly really has him spoiled. Right, Holly? Right, Holly? Dexter, wait. You can say hey, Holly. She's sitting here just keeping her mouth shut. Alright, now we have his perches in and we have his rope, and I'm going to fix this one a little better. And Holly bought more toys for him. They're not unpacked yet, but we'll get them in later. So let me fix this here perch here for Dexter. I got to open up, Dexter. I got to go inside. Alright, guys. And if any of you guys are interested in t-shirts or mugs or glasses or anything like that, Holly does that stuff. She has a machine and she makes that stuff. So if you're interested in anything with your logo on or your name or anything, let me know and she can make that for you. Alright, guys, I'm going to zoom in for a close-up and we're going to see what Dexter does here. Let me move the camera around here. Hello, Dexter. We'll move it around so you guys can see Dexter better. I'm going to step back here and I'll talk to Dexter, but we'll see what he does. Dexter! Hello, baby. Hello, Dexter. Come here, Dexter. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Dexter. Come here. Come here, Dexter. Do you come in here? Hey? Sound like I'm Canadian. Dexter, come here. Come here, Dexter. Come here. Look. Look at your new toys. Yeah. You look at your new toys? Huh? And guys, you hear my many multi-clocks going off in the background. Yes, Dexter. Look at him dancing there. Yes. He hears the music from the clocks and he just wants a bebop. And guys, I'd play some music, but then I'm going to get hit with the copyright crap, and the monetization won't be able to be allowed. And we want to make more money on our channel so we can buy Dexter some more toys. Here, Dexter. Here, you want a peanut? Come here. Come here. Want a peanut? Come on. Come over here. Come over here. Come here, Dexter. Come on. Come get your peanut. There you go. He loves his peanuts, guys. Even though he wasted one of the two, but he still got one. These are these freebies you get from Outback Steakhouse there. Not Outback, Texas Roadhouse. He likes them. And the clock you're going off right now, that's King Arthur. That's my sleigh clock. And King Henry VIII is going to go off here in just a second. They're all set at different times. I need to speed some up, slow some down. Henry's a little slow. King Arthur's right about on time. Let me just move us down a little bit. There you go. Now there's Henry VIII going off. That was actually Guinevere going off over here. Henry's going to go off in a second. Let me move the camera here quick so you can see Dexter. There he is. Now there goes Henry. I have so many of them, it's hard to keep track, guys. I have 11 clocks in all. I'm going to sell one, a curio clock, and 2 of them aren't running right now. I have to get my brother Chet to fix them. So guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna let Dexter explore his new toys. He's gonna be bopping around because Eric's over here out of the shot here, bobbing his head around. I'm gonna let you guys go. I just wanted to show you guys Dexter and his new toys. I'll let Dexter say hey. He's not talking too much right now because, you know, it's like kids when you take them to the photographers. They're smiling like all kind of crap, but as soon as the camera gets in their face, they get the pissy look on. That's how Dexter's like a kid. Move us around here. Dexter, you're going to say bye? Huh? You going to say bye? You're not going to say nothing, huh? You're fluffing up your feathers. Right? You're watching Eric. I'll bring him back again when he's more talkative, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Me and Dexter appreciate it. And check out my Seaward fried steak tomorrow with the sawmill gravy, alright? Say bye, Dexter.